Happy Wednesday. So, third day on the job over in Skipton for cotton bolling. Let's just stop that.
Just about to start a job over at Skipton Carlton School. Just loading up, just getting fittings out of office. We'll just go out with more or less being loaded up already. Just while we're here, we're going to get his new van sign written this week. But yeah, we're just loading up. Lads are just things out on site today. We've loaded up. Look, quite a bit you need to put for fence these days. It's a bit of a drive out Skipton way, but hopefully traffic shouldn't be too bad with kids being off this week. We'll get there nice when kids are off and straight in, no hassle. You get done what you can.
So, happy Monday from Airedale Fencing. So it's me and Jamie on job today. Baggy's not feeling well, so hopefully he's better and in tomorrow. So I'm just going to give you a quick look around this job. We have already started. This is in Skipton, and it's sorry, but I got hiccups. So he's asked me this morning to do a bit of fencing here. What we were going to do is we was going to tie it into the wall here, but now it's going all the way down to the bottom. Bloody hell. And then we're coming all the way around here. Obviously it is going to curve around, but we're still full panels all the way through. And then the trickiest bit were the bit what we cracked on with this morning, just because of space more than anything else. It was just around there. I've got Jamie with his eye-vis on, and yeah, so obviously this was the trickiest bit, just because obviously we're both quite big lads, and squeezing through there and getting your tools down in exactly best. But yeah, we're going to crack on now, and now we're away from this bottom bit, we'll see how much we can get in. Good morning, we're here in Skipton and it's second day on the job. We've got Baggy's back in today. He's not feeling right cracking, but he's in. We just get this done today, this whole section, and then we're on the back as well. Obviously I ain't showing you the back side yet. I'm just going to go around after the lads now while they put some more fencing in, do a bit of tarmacking, get it all nice and clean. Just been over to our gate guy, pick up some gates for this job, so I've left them this morning to crack on, and that's what we've done, cracked on. So we'll have this full section done. This is 1.8 because it's a conservation area. They can't really have anything over 1.8, but then again they still need a fence just for the kids, and obviously this wall's leaning all the way to the right, so it's getting there. It's about 2 inches off the floor. We've kept the height all the way around the top, and plus that lets them get any kind of rubbish or anything what blows behind the fence. So we'll be coming over here. These gates will be getting taken down and cut out and replaced for the ones on there as well, if you haven't seen it as well. New van's come today, so, well, came last week. That's what it's pretty nice. And that post will get cut out as well. Double gates will go in, and then it was initially just going to be one panel to this wall. Now we're going to be going all the way down to basically just to where that is there. We'll try tie it in so they can still open the gates for the old ones as well. But yeah, we'll crack on, get this whole section sorted, kicked off, and we'll get out of here. Another day at Airedale.
people. Another fine day this week. It's a bit cold this morning, but I think it should be fine once that sun gets out. So yeah, the guys should be carrying on today over at Curtin School at Skipton Way. I'm just on my way to see a couple of jobs, one in Bradford, Sunbridge Road, I think one at the car park or something at the premises. And then I'm off over to near Airedale 27, a job I priced well, probably 8 or 9 months ago now. They've come back and I think they want to go ahead, so I will get that sorted. I'll see if I can get some footage whilst I'm there, but obviously sometimes it's a bit hard when the clients are about and things. So yeah, let's crack on and get on with it. Yeah, just over Sunbridge Road in Bradford, looking at a job here for this client's here, Oxford Engineering. It's about 75 metres, 8 metres in half panels up a slope and some double gates. I'll just turn it round. So yeah, we're going to come off of this edge of this building in a straight line along here with some double gates along here, and then up to the roadside up there, some half panels, and it's going across there by the road. He's leaving this timber knee-high stuff in, going on the inside. He's not having a gate or anything here. He actually owns everything round here. It's just coming to where it's bushes, another half panels here, then coming along here. Then he's undecided whether he's going to have a gate there. He's probably just going to block it off for now and then just return it to that corner of the building there. Be a nice little straightforward job for us, this one. I'll get it priced up, and I'll next time I see you, I'll be over in Morley seeing my other one. Hi there, yeah, so I'm just over at Morley in Leeds, LS27, just for Rent-A-Kill. They're one of their main depots here. It's a job I priced a while ago. I hope you can see me. I know I'm in the shadow of it, sun shining. It's only 20 something metres, a 2.4 palisade, but I just had to do another site visit because he said originally when I came they'd clear it and blah blah blah, the old fence and bushes. Then he asked me if we could do it, so it was that long ago I couldn't actually remember exactly how much were to take down, but it's something to note really. So a bit of chain link, we'll sort that out. I'll just get him a price for doing that, and hopefully we should get this little job.
So, happy Wednesday. We're here over in Skipton, third day on the job today. This is actually the outside now. As you see, it's all uniformed at the top on this 1.8 green VMesh. So let's have a look from the outside. We'll go in. So all this was completed. There was just the last few little bits done this morning. So I'll show you around now. We're now at the back of the school doing the field. So I'll give you a walk around there once I go back. That beautiful gate there, looking nice. Let's have a look. Beautiful, all the way back it goes. I'll just put it in its slot. There you go. So they did extend it. It was only going to be a panel after the gate and then down, but now it's just a bit more. It's just going down there behind the bins and then just ties nicely into the wall. See, you got all your gate safes on as well. So like I said, extra prevention. If the gate ever does for any reason collapse of any sort, the gate safes will hold it in place. They should just hold it there just so it doesn't fall on someone and potentially do them harm. Very good to have in the schools, as you can imagine. You know, safety first. So, and then we go all the way through. All the tarmacking's done. It's all been leaf blowed. We've been around, sprayed it up, had a little clean of any dirt we can see. All the caps have been put on today, and we'll just keep going. Lads are around the other side. We'll go join them in a second. It's got lovely there, a lovely new van. And then we go through, and it's just behind, all tarmacked up. And then when we actually first came, some of the lads on here were actually building this wall here. That actually used to be able to get in and out. Now we've just completely closed it. And now I think we've got probably about another 200 metres to do at the other side. It's not in concrete, don't need tarmacking, so hopefully this here will absolutely fly in. But cut it like butter. Then what we'll do is, I've just had a little look around now, see a few little bits what just need a bit more of a spray, so I'll come around and get that done as well. It's looking very nice. And then we'll go around to the other sides and join the lads and see how they're getting on. Pretty much on big jobs like this, I tend to stick with the lads and give them an hand. Especially you can't get the van close. We can get it close to this side, but the rest of it's going to be across a field, so I always need an extra pair of hands. See that? So they've got the van down here. There's actually, like I said, a really old church there as well. So here we are. Lads have already started this side. Got one bolted to the wall, one going across. I'll actually just jump over and we'll have a look.
Never taken a shortcut before.
These two are happy. Even Baggy's happy today, aren't you, Baggy? His trademark sign there for you. And then we'll be following basically this wall all the way down. What we'll do is we'll probably cut a section of this wooden fence out, reset a post for it as well, and then carry our fence coming through that line. It'll have to be very tight up to it so there's no gaps. And then we'll be coming all the way down here. I'm actually going to go around with a wheel in a second and just measure it up as well. Look, this is what you get them throwing balls at me. Yeah, all the way to the bottom, and then we're cutting across all the way to the right. Just basically following the initial fence, what's there, and then there's actually another double gate going in down at the bottom, just to replace the old one, just like the front. Looks nice. And then we'll actually be going all the way across that front wall, back up on ourselves, and I believe it's just to where the bushes are, just on this corner. There's actually a gate there, and we're just going on to the other side of this gate. Since we actually last came, I'll just show you that as well. So that gate down there is coming out. Since we was actually last here, this fence here wasn't coming out, but since then, as you can see, it's completely fallen down. So they may just end up adding some on just to get that complete as well.